Hi! In this video, you learn about the progress target text, how it works, and more importantly, how to use it. Let's get started. The progress target text updates the text value of a text component. So it does that by getting the value from a progressor in order to show a percentage or a value. So let me create a text. Let's make it quite big as we can. Let's set its color to a white. Can we see it? Come on. Okay, so this is my my text. It's huge. And now I just add a progress target text. So progress target text. And here we need a progressor to update this value. So let's add a simple progressor. Progress, and we need a progressor. And let's give it a progress target. Let's use this text. And check it out. Now we have 0 and 1 because we're using the percentage. And let's set it to use multiplier. And check it out. Now we have from 0 to 100%. How about we see the minimum and the maximum value? Let's say a minimum value of -80, like the volume, and a maximum value of 0. This will also show the percentage. But what if I want to see the value between the minimum and the maximum? So I want to see -24. Well, that's very easy. Let's not use a multiplier, and let's use the value. Again, let's say here value, and minus, 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 space, yeah, something like that. And check it out. Now we see the value. If you want to see the exact value, just let's just remove this and say without the whole numbers, so it doesn't round up the numbers, and check it out. And now we can see this. Let's say it's between 0 and 300. This can be a health bar, an energy bar, whatever you need. You can show it like that. Or you can say whole numbers, so you do not see 0.2, 0.3, and so on. And again, you can see it like that. You can animate the value. Let's animate in 2 seconds. There you go. You can use the progress. So let's see the progress. And now, because we do not have a multiplier, it will say point. Let's remove all numbers and check it out. You can see it like this, very exact. Let's see whole numbers and use the multiplier and check it out. And let's add the percentage sign, percent, and check it out. And now, what do I want to see that? Well, let's say I want to see the visibility of this UI view. Or maybe I want to have a progress bar or whatever. I'm going to say 1, visibility. And let's see how it looks. Okay. And let's link it here. Let's use the show progressor. Let's use this. Update on hide. And now it will get updated whenever one is show or hidden. 100%. Let's maximize so we have a smooth animation. Let's go to, oh, I forgot. I'm capturing the touch. Text, raycast target, no. Yeah, I'm blocking everything with a simple text component. Yeah. All right. So let's see it now. Maximize, click, 0, 1, 0. Yeah, and that's it. That's how the progress target text works. Of course, you might want to use it with a progress bar. So yeah, let's create a quick progress bar. So progress bar. Let's make it in the center of the screen, height a bit bigger. Yeah, something like that. Before 128. Let's add a background. And this will be my background. And let's make it blackish, like so. Let's fill the bar. And now let's create a fill. And let's select a color, something like that. And for transparency, and now let's use this text. Let's insert it here. Let's set it to best fit, align by geometry. Let's make it black. Okay, and let's add here a progress target image. You can see how I created this in another video about the progress target image. Let's link it to the progressor and check it out. Now I have I didn't link something. Oh yeah, I forgot to make this a tiled. Yeah, my bad. Filled, horizontal, so I have a progress bar. Let's make the text, let's say white. All right, so let's enter play mode and check it out. Now we have a progress bar with text in just a few clicks. This was in real time, no cutting. So 2, 1. How easy is that? And you can even simulate it in the editor. So let's simulate it in 0.5 seconds, in 3 seconds. Yeah, let's change the text, put it here, maybe make it a bit bigger. And yeah, where is it? And let's make it a bit bigger. And there you go. Now you have your progress bar. Yeah, it's really quite easy, and you can create any type of progress bar you want. Health bar, energy bar, whatever bar. Okay, so that's it for the progress target text. Thank you.